In this video, I'll show you how to install a simple post spike. Let's get right to it. I'm building a grapevine trellis against this fence and need 2 posts for this project. I'll be using a couple of spikes and only need a few things to get them into the ground. Along with the spikes, I'll be using a torpedo level, a drive-in tool, and a sledgehammer. I don't have a 4x4 cutoff piece, so I'm gonna make a driver piece out of some 2x4 scraps. There are a few advantages to using a spike for installing a post. There's no digging, no concrete pouring, and no wood rotting in the ground. It can also be done relatively quickly with no concrete drying time. When determining the location for the spikes, be sure to check for gas and electrical pipes that may be buried in the area before you begin. Because this spike is up against the fence, I'll align it so I have access to the bolts that are used to tighten the base around the wood. I'll begin by placing the scrap block into the top basket, and then leveling the spike with the torpedo level. Next, I'll gently tap the top with a sledgehammer, in a controlled manner. After a few taps, I'll check again to make sure that the spike is still level on 2 sides, and then adjust it if necessary. Again, I'll tap the top a few times and check it for level. It's best not to swing the sledgehammer wildly when doing this, as there's a good chance the spike will become misaligned. I'll repeat this tapping and leveling until the spike is a foot off the ground. At this point, it will be near impossible to realign the spike, so I'll hammer it in, trying to hit the top of the wood block on a flat angle, without too much rotational swinging in the handle. With the spike completely in the ground, I'll remove the block and replace it with the post. I can now tighten the bolts at the base, first using a ratchet and then finishing up with a crescent wrench. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.